Hello, friends. Today we're going to continue on our path of learning to change chords in time using a song. And if you saw my last video, changing chords in time, what we did was when we're changing a chord and we're playing a 4/4 time, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now when we hit the and of the fourth beat, after the fourth beat, that's when we can lift off and go to our next chord, and it buys us that little bit of time. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, lift, and you go to your next chord. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'll sing a verse and a chorus. I'm going to use the song Four Strong Winds, beautiful song written by Ian Tyson. I actually covered this a while back, but I want to revisit this so we can practice these techniques. So watch my chord hand as I change chords and count, and you'll hear that fourth beat. I'll lift it up right after the fourth beat. So I'll just sing a couple verses here. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. I got some friends that I can go to working for. Still, I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Okay, now that just follows the same chord progression for all the verses and choruses. So I'm going to have this chord chart in my Ko-fi shop, my free shop, and I have a folder called Songbook, and that's where I'm going to be just adding these songs, and we're going to start learning songs and using all the techniques and all the knowledge of our chord progressions that we've been learning so far. So let's look at our first chord movement. We're going to be going from a G to an A minor. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, lift. 2 and 3 and 4. Then do a D7, lift. Back to G, lift. So I'll do that much again. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high. So you can just practice the first line and sing or hum along with it. Use a metronome or a drum machine, and it'll get you going on that, lifting that on the fourth beat. So I'll continue on the song here, and then it just does the same chords again. All those things that don't change, come what may. But our, back to G, good times are all gone. D7, and it's time for moving on. Now to C, look for you if I'm D minor, never back this way. Okay, then the song just repeats that same progression. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to just play the chords slowly, and you can follow along. So 1, 2, 1, 2, da da lift, 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 lift. Okay, and by lifting, remember that the fingers that you can leave laying on the fretboard when you're making your move, you don't lift those. You keep those on there. So if you need to go back and look at the video, changing chords at time, and I've got changing chords cleanly videos, especially the first one. I get in depth on changing chords and keeping those fingers down. I'll put those links in the description here, and again, you can get that chord chart, and all the information is right in the description here. So have some fun with this one, and just take it slow, take it a line at a time, and as always, have fun with it, and we'll see you on the next video.